Oh!
What the fuck? That's just wrong. That's wrong. Like really wrong, man. Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, what the frick? What the frick is that?
Whoa, that's so cool.
Thank you.
Whoa. Wait, are you a girl or a boy? I'm honestly not sure.
I can be whatever you want me to be, darling.
Okay, okay. Okay. I'm so confused right now. I'm so high right now.
What the? You, hey!
Oh, this is
You
out.
funny, boy.
This is code. This is weird.
It's fake. Look, he's not talking. Shake your head. Up and down.
Shake
Shake
this.
Shake your head.
Go shake your head up and
Why?
Then your eyes. Oh!
Hello?
Hello.
Wow.
Wow. What are we doing?
Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Are you real?
Pretty real.
Yeah. Say something.
Why? I'm concerned.
Okay, now. That's seriously mental.
Thank you. I think that's a compliment.
Are you a boy?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, that's so weird. You look like a girl, bro. Okay, now I can't even look at you. I'm sorry, but it's just like it's mental. Because when I first saw her, I thought she's fit.
Oh my god! Oh my god! You scared the shit out of me. No, this guy. Are you Bendy? Oh my god, it's literally Bendy.
Oh my god!
No.
What the fuck? Fool, what the fuck, cuz? Hell nah, you crazy. Shit. Hell nah, you tripping? Are you good? You good?
Unless I'm mistaken, I'm pretty sure I'm good. Thank you.
God damn, fool. Shit.
Hi.
Yellow.
You actually kind of look like my dad.
Well, if your mum fucked Mickey Mouse, there's a strong chance I'm your brother. Hey. Oh, didn't know I was invited to the gun show. Well, this is a coincidence. I'm bendy and that thing is certainly very bendy. Why does it curve?
Bendy! Oh my god! It's Bendy!
let me type. Wait, type in Bendy, girl.
Hi!
Hi.
Say stop.
Don't leave me with Bendy!
Yes, that's you.
Oh my god! He's scaring me! Come back!
I just want love.
Wait. Are you like real? Can you wait for me? Holy shit, that's great. Fucking awesome makeup right there. Although, are those like real horns or plastic or whatever? Silicone?
Latex.
You're a dude, what the fuck? Holy shit. You look like this hot fucking girl. Now you're a dude. Now I'm mind blown. What the fuck?
You're gonna make me ink.
Hello! I'm doing the helium challenge.
Okie dokie.
Do you want me to do the helium challenge or not?
I don't know what the helium challenge is.
It's where you suck in a whole bunch of helium.
That's a whole lot of steps. Gonna have to slow down there. Sounds challenging.
No! Oh! No! Alice Angel from Bendy and the Ink Machines! She actually did it.
Is that Pinkstylist?
Yeah.
my god! Is it you for real?
Yeah, hello.
You are awesome!
Thank you, but I'm a little bit deaf now.
I'm sorry! I'm so sorry!
Well, since you asked so nicely. Oh. Well, I guess not then. What a rip-off. You know, they said tube tops were only for women. You've proven them wrong. Good for you, mate.
Ooh, damn. Pinkstylist?
Hello.
No, you're fake.
That makes me so
You're
happy.
fake. This isn't the real Pinkstylist. No, this isn't the real one. You're not real. This isn't real. This is not real. You're not real.
Well,
You're not the real
imitate
person.
it.
No, you're not the real person. No,
Okay,
wait,
just go
hold on.
on.
I have to. Just give me a minute. You're not real. You're not real. That's really creepy, but you're not fucking real. Because if you're real, I'm gonna start crying. You're not real. Wait, you're not real. This is not okay. No, like you're not the real guy.
It's not the real guy, Grace.
No, Aaron, this looks just like him.
It's probably a simulation.
No, but you're not really him.
I think I am.
No, you're not. No, you're fucking not. No, you're real. You're real. You sound just like him. Why do you sound just like him?
There's a couple reasons. This is super bad coming from me, especially with my hairline, but yours could almost be part of your eyebrows, and that's fantastic. I'll be honest with you, I don't really like sports, I just like the balls.
Hi,
Hey!
how's it going?
Pretty good, thank you. Yourself?
Wait. Hold on a second. Wait a minute, hold on. Are you who I think you are?
No.
You both like funny. No, that's not funny. That's just like. I'm not gonna skip you because my friend will. You fucked up, mate. You real.
Bless. Hello?
Are you real?
Yes.
Oh my god! Ew!
Mean?
That's awesome!
Thank you.
Pinkstylist?
Yeah, hello.
Oh my god! I'm gonna cry, oh my god. You have no idea.
Hello. Oh shit. You look familiar.
Look.
Hi.
Are you wearing contacts?
No. Stay in school, kids. So you're not picky then?
Don't that sweat? Don't you just sweat in your face and it just sort of like...
I do, which is why it's kind of better just to take it all off and just, yeah. Ah, relief! Much relief.
Oh my god, that's so weird. So weird.
Wait, I know who this is. Are you who I think you are? Pinkstylist or something like that?
Never heard of him.
Can I kiss you?
Yes.
Yeah! Are you... I don't want to sound like a stereotype. Are you British?
Yeah. No, he's Sweden. Yeah, he's Sweden. Yeah.
I'm British.
Yeah, I got it. Woo!
What's the difference between Swedish
There's
and
a
British?
big difference, dude. What's wrong?
Sweden's a different country, darling.
Oh. Hey, you called me darling.
He was not making that a compliment at all.
Are you gay?
Game or... You're going back to being a dick again, you know that? He asked if you were gay.
Well, like, cause of makeup and shit.
Only on days ending in Y.